Hey guys, Happy New Year. If you followed my other video, you saw me install this fence. And even though you see it leaning over, they have not escaped through that part of the fence. What they have been doing is right here. Let me show you this jimmy rigged opening I have. So we have this piece of wood right here on the ground that's basically holding the gate closed. So when we want to open the gate, we push the piece of wood out of the way and then swing the fence picket over to the side, and then we can open the gate. This fence picket just has a nail in it right here to make it swing. I'm going to fix that so that it closes. Then I'm going to go back and straighten these up and tighten them up a little bit. The first thing that I'm going to do is remove that one screw out of that jimmy rigged so-called gate closure that I made up, and then I'm going to attach a hinge at the top and at the bottom of that picket, and then I'm going to attach it to the post. Now the reason that I'm attaching the hinge to the picket to put back is because I wanted a way that when the gate is closed, something closes over. That way the dogs couldn't pry the gate open to go out. And with that hinge jimmy rig fix that I have right there, even when it's closed, the dogs won't be able to pry and sneak out the bottom of the gate. So now I'm just attaching that picket that's on the hinge to this post that I have here. And so now it's going to swing open and close. I'm going to move that big piece of wood out of the way, close my gate, and then voila, that's exactly what I wanted it to do, so that even if the dogs are over there, they can't pry to get out that side. So now all I have to do is to put something on it to keep it closed. And I had this little hook, and I forgot what it's called, the little hook piece, that won't work. So what I decided to do was to get set up so that I can do some maintenance on the rest of the fence, because it's getting cold and it's going to get dark soon, and I really want to get this done. And then I'll go to the store, try to figure out something to hold that closed. And I'll see you in the next video. Come on and watch me do the maintenance on the rest of the fence, and then we'll go back to what I found as my solution for keeping the gate closed. Thanks for watching Fran at Officially Fran's.